Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I thought I would do something a little different, and it's organizing my stickers, and GoodNotes is over here doing his own thing. I'm not touching anything. And what I really want to do is I want to take all of my elements and place them in a sticker collection, which I'm out of space right now. So what I think I want to do is just add them to the elements, and then we'll see where we want to go with that. So what I mean by that is that a lot of us, we layer our stickers. So I think you just got to open up a planner. And I don't even know if I got to do that. Because what we want to do is we want to start off with the Elite book. All right, so this is a sticker what I'm talking about. So we're going to go here and we're going to hit add to element. But I want a new collection. This is what I was, okay, so maybe it'll let me do it now. And everything that you would layer in the background of your images is what I want to put in one place. Because girl, going through all of these, sometimes I'm creating my own images, right? So I don't really want to go through all of these looking for the background of what I want to layer. I think this is a good background too. This is going to take some time. I don't think I would use any of these. I do use this. So I do want to add this. I want to find this stuff easier. I don't know if I want to add this to social media section. I don't know if I have a social. I'm looking to see. I don't use my elements enough. And I want to start. I really want to move these things around and redo them, but hey. So I guess I'm going to start a social media section. And I don't know if you can merge different ones together. And I wish you could select them all. So like when you look at, let's just open it up here. I downloaded some book ones, but I want to put all that together. I put all these words together, but I don't know if you can do that or if it's too late. So like this one and this one need to go together. I want to just see, can I stick them in? No, you can move them around. I didn't know that. Can you select all? No, share. I wonder if this is how you send this to other people. I don't know what this is doing. We just sitting here playing around. Like I got all the time of the world. It's 2 o'clock in the morning. 2 o'clock in the morning. I'm a night owl. I could sit here and make videos all night. During the daytime, I'm in the bed. I took a nap today at 10 o'clock in the morning. I swear. I don't know what's wrong with me. I like to sleep in the day and stay up all night. And if you gave me a night job, I couldn't do it. I want to do what I want to do at night. Oh. Okay, open in GoodNotes. Can you open in an element? Let me see. I don't know what it's doing. So we're going to stop that. All right, get back to the task at hand. So I'm going to be working on that. They need to make that a feature. Like, I want that done. This is cute. So we're just going to tap them, and we're going to save them to the background. So it's kind of like organizing them in one place. I know they're on all these sheets. I think I need to use my fingers because this stuff, yeah. All right. Because going through all of these when you're trying to make a video, I don't really plan ahead like I should. So I want to make sure that the things that I want to use on a regular basis, like I feel like that's a layering sticker right there. Not just I might get into a rabbit hole. Not just a whatever you call it. Because I don't have a clue. Just a quote sticker, I guess, for lack of better words. I'm trying to make sure this stuff is going in here because it's so slow. Oh, I can see it up here. Okay, I can see my most recent up here. Okay, so that's good. That's kind of like a background. If GoodNotes would act right, we could get a lot more done, right? Y'all think this gonna slow up my because it's really I'm having them in 2 places, and I don't want to delete them from. Yeah, this is really what I'm talking about. These things like this is really what I didn't got in a rabbit hole of this other stuff, but this is what I'm really talking about. All of this stuff, and I wish it was a faster way at. Let's close out some of this other stuff so she ain't working too hard. And let's go over to my trash can and dump that so she's not working too hard. Trash. Because there's a lot of stuff in here. Empty. Trying to make sure that GoodNotes is not working too hard. But this is the new 12.9, 13-inch, whatever you want to call it, Pro terabyte of storage. I mean, this ain't no, I'm not trying to be funny, cheap iPad for it not to be handling what I needed to handle. And I paid for that purpose of not having to deal with opening up the wrong thing. Deal with all this slowness. Okay, so we got the ones at the top. I don't think I got this one. See if she'll move a little faster. Because I was trying to do my weekly. And I'm gonna just tell you, it was too much trying to figure out what I wanted to use. And I just having all the colors together is gonna be life changing. And if I have to spend the rest of the night doing this, hey, that's fine. Cause I'm off work for the rest of the week. Don't tell nobody. Girl, I feel a sickness coming on. I need to stop. My teacher friends were laughing at me because they said they love it for me. I don't take no days off ever. Not just to be doing it. I just think it's stupid. We've already tested the semester's about to end, and I get new students on the 15th. I can't walk and chew at the same time. Y'all ever heard that? That's an old folks saying, walk and chew at the same time. When some people can't get stuff done. I might go back and put some words together, but I think I got all the back. Oh, I will not quit. I use this as a background quote. I've used it on some of my spreads before. So trying to focus on what I'm doing and make sure I don't miss anything. And if I do, that's fine. I mean, this is just a start of what I want to do. I don't know if anybody else thought about how they could organize their stickers to make 2025 better, quicker and faster so I can get through some things. I don't really use any of these. I might go back and do the frames and put them in one. This is one that I might crop it because I wouldn't use that pink part right there, but I think I would use that black part. And you got to think about it when you go through this. You need to be looking at your stickers and say, how would I use it? And if you would be able to use it in that capacity that you're talking about. I'm going to be honest with y'all. I don't like marble. I really could delete that. All right. So now we're moving into another set. Yeah, this is what I want. I want all of these. So excited for this. This is like, I just thought of this. Wisdom, right? I was like, I was looking for stickers. I was struggling. And then I was like, I didn't know which, I was going to different sets trying to remember what stuff was. Yeah, that was too much. I really would like this in a sticker book so I can really visualize it. And once I do it, I might pull them all in. But for now, I'm just going to, put them in here. At least they're all organized. I feel like those books could be a background too. And I haven't figured out how I would use one. But I do think that could be a background. I really would probably never put no shoes or nothing like that on my spreads. I really should delete that. This is a background. Yeah, my book is starting to slow up. I think I got enough stickers in here. And I won't have to go through all the sections because some of my sections are just like other stuff, quotes and stuff like that. But it's a few shops that give you those background that you can use on different spreads like these. Because you can crop stuff. You can use them in different ways. Really fascinated at how people make their spreads. And I want to be better at it. I think these are background. Not that I don't know if I'll use them share. I wish there was a way to pick more than one. Because this is a tedious task. This is something you just sit in front of the TV and you keep doing it until you finish. I ain't going to keep y'all long. I'm going to get through a couple of pages. And then I'm going to let y'all go because I know this could be boring. I like this month. Does it have the week? I like this page. I'm going to go ahead and say that because I'll be looking for some headings. I'm going to use that on my upcoming spreads, I think. I really don't think I would use any of this. This black, everybody need black. The rest of them, I don't think I would use. And if I do, they're all still in my, collection. I'm just trying to get to something quicker. So what I mean by that, if you're new here, when you click the elements and then you go over to your collection, I'm going to move this to the front. She's slow. Bills, back to school, everyday stickers. I don't know where they came from. There we go. So look at that. Now I'm going to be able to just scroll through, click on what I want, I think, and just bring it over. See how that worked? Oh, wait a minute. Let me try something. I wanted this one. Oh, well. I was trying to drag it over. But anyway, that's where we're at. And so as they come over, I'll be able to see them. All right. So this one, what does that say? I took this in New York. Okay, well. This one might be cute. I think I need to use my fingers because this getting on my nerves. Oh, yeah, this much better. Using your fingers for this task is much better. And you can also, keeping it open, I can see that it's going over there and that's making me feel better to move a little faster. So I know I got those 3 colors so you don't have to think about it. I don't know what y'all think about this idea, but let me know. I'm going to stay up a couple of more hours. And and finish this task and see how it goes. I just wanted to show you what I was thinking and what I was working on. Of course, in my next video, I'll come back and show you how I'm using this and is it working for me? Is this really worth your time and energy, you know, putting these things over here? I believe that it is. I believe that this is going to be a game changer for me to find all of my backdrops in one place. I did buy some more. I don't know why this is taking so long. Some more reading stickers today, and I did start a video, but I ain't even gonna tell y'all. I started not feeling it. So I stopped. And also my iPad died in the middle of it. And this new program that I'm filming with, when it died, it didn't save the video. So you're talking about 20-30 minutes of me working, it didn't save it. So real quick, I did buy some stickers for my reading journal. This lady on, her name is Danny, the original reading journal on YouTube. But she had a lot of good elements that she used to do her reading journals. And I'm following her and I'm looking at her ideas. Hey, because I can. I like it. She helps me to be more creative. If you're new here, I'm a math teacher, so my mind works very strategically, and I'm working on my creativity. So I really do love this. She has some really realistic Polaroid stickers that I want to use on my spreads, and she was showing us how we could be more creative with our reading journal. And so I did purchase those. I did purchase her reading journal, but I didn't know it was a boho style, and I'm really not a boho person. Look at this. I don't think you can do that. I think you got to bring it over. It's got like paper. Look at that. And then you can put, it's transparent. Oh, that is too cute. So I haven't had a chance to go through all these stickers. So you get all these colors. And she was talking about like match the colors with the different elements. Then she gave you all these words to put on your book reviews and your book journaling. So those of you who are interested in a boho or a bullet journal type, she's really good. Real quick before we end, let me just show you her YouTube channel. I don't know this lady from a, you know, what did we used to say? A can of paint. But I do follow her. Girl, I don't know what I'm doing. I was looking for YouTube. I didn't took everything off. I'm about to redo my icons. They have never come out the way I want them. I've made icons. I bought icons, but I'm going to master what I want my iPad to look like. Okay, so we're going to find her. I don't want to play her video. I hate when that happens, when I just, oh, there we go. Danny Reeds. That's not the real name. There she go. So let's just go to her channel. So I can see I was watching it, girl. So she has the different videos. I think she only has 18 videos, but she's really good. And her spreads look amazing. She has a lot of shorts too. They show you how to do it. Again, it's Danny, the original realistic reading journal. And then when you go over to Etsy, girl, old age. When you go over to Etsy, I think my iPad tired. Adaptable planning. And this is where I bought. So I bought her Polaroid stickers. And look how cute that is. Just look. I love that. Now, I'm not a bullet journal person per se, maybe. I don't know. But I do like scrapbooking. I like scrapbooking a lot. So this to me was like scrapbooking. And I used to scrapbook and, you know, plan in on paper way before I became a digital planner. I made scrapbooks for my whole family with prayers for the whole month of December. And I made like 10 or 15 of them at the same time. So everybody had to get the family prayer. Everybody had to get pictures. I was getting pictures of my grandfather and putting them in there. And I gave them these big books. I don't know if they still got them. I know my aunt does. I bought that. Those were the Polaroid. I got the realistic stickers. I know I got those. I didn't get the pastel realistic. Kindle girly stickers. I might need to go back and look at some of these. Girl, I can't buy nothing else. The real, oh, I saw those on her channel. I don't need that. Girl, let me get out this rabbit hole. Anyway, that's what I'm using for my reading journal. So when she gave you the elements, they all came in the element section, which was really nice. They didn't come as regular stickers. They came as elements. You got to go back in here and do this because I don't know what I'm doing. I got those. And it's multiple colors. I stopped downloading them. So they're in my files. And I know if I want a particular color, I can go look at my file because it got to be redundant to download the same thing, just different colors. And basically probably will stick to black and white. Probably not going to use all these colors. Right. Black labels. I think I created those or bought those because I was buying and creating my labels. I made these, I know for sure. And so I'm in the process of learning how to do that. I should have put them all in one section. And so I am trying to use my elements more in 2025. What I'm doing is going in through all my stickers and putting these overlays so that I can get to them quick. I think this is going to make planning chef's kiss. What y'all think? Leave a comment. What do you think about what I'm doing? Is it a waste of time? Maybe to you, but I really feel like I need to do this for my sanity because a lot of times I'm not even using the stickers I bought. I'm making stickers, but I don't make the backdrops. And I did find some place where it told you where keywords were, and I'm losing my train of thought. Keywords for Canva where you can make these. I was like, okay, well, we're going to do that. So we'll be looking into that this year to add to my girlies that I'm selling on Etsy. And I still will be giving away a certain amount for free every month or twice a month as often as I can get them done. Twice a month will be nice. I'm updating Etsy with other stickers, so please go by and look at what I've done. Some of them you might already have. So starting January is going to be based on the free ones will not be put on Etsy, and then the ones I give on Etsy probably won't be free. And I'm just going to work it that way. I think you'll still get the same quality. Whatever I put on Etsy, you'll get something similar or, you know, whatever, the same style, but they'll be for free. And then the other ones will be over there on Etsy. And I think that's fair, right? So that's what I came up with. My planners will always be placed free at the beginning of the season. I don't know if they will stay up the entire time. So that means that the link for the planners will be free maybe, you know, the first 3 or 4 months. And then after that, I don't know. I don't know how I'm going to do it yet. I'm still working out those details. So I thank you all for sitting with me. I'm so excited about this idea. Super excited about working on this for the next few hours. I know it's 2 o'clock in the morning, but I'm not sleepy. I'm still on vacation. I'm about to say goodbye. I love y'all. Till next time. Happy planning.